Hi, welcome back to my channel Skillset Go and welcome to Java programming tutorial. So in the last video we have seen what is class and what is object and what are constructors in Java. And in this video we will learn what is inheritance in Java. So let's go to a definition of inheritance. Inheritance is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of the parent object. So in Java we can create a different number of classes, also called user defined data types, and one class can have a similar code with the other class. So inheritance is a mechanism to reuse a properties or methods of another class is called inheritance. So it also represents an easier relationship, and which also known as parent child relationships. So if a class uses a certain code or behavior of another class, then that class is called a child class. Child class will use all the properties of behaviors of the parent class. This is called easy relationship or parent child relationship. So the main uses of inheritance in Java are reusing the code. We can reuse the code again and again instead of creating in separate classes, and there is also method overriding. So in this video we will see how to create an inheritance and how to reuse the code, and in the coming videos we will see what is method overriding. So for demo purpose I have two classes. One is person, which is having two fields, name, age, and it has a constructor which instantiates a values for the name and age, and I have a function which will print the name and age. And we have another class, employee. Employee has name, age, and it has an extra field than the person, which is salary. This person don't have a salary field, but employee has extra salary field. And it also has a constructor which instantiates name, age, salary, and it also has a function which prints name, age, salary. If we observe these two classes, these two classes are very similar. The only difference is employee has an extra field which is salary. So by this you can understand we can reuse a name, age code from the person class. Instead of creating again a fields name, age, instead of having a fields in the constructor, we can have a inheritance relationship between these two classes. So how to extend or inherit a person class in employee? So in Java we will use extends keyword. So after the employee class name, we will specify extends and specify a parent class, which is person. So as soon as you declare this extends person, all the behaviors or fields can be accessed from this employee class. And now we no need to have name, age in this employee class. We can use these two fields. And now we are getting an error. Let's see what is it. Implicit super constructor person is undefined. So if you are extending a person, by default this constructor will call a person's constructor, but this is 3 arguments and this is only 2 arguments. So here we need to mention, we need to call the person constructor and we need to pass name and age to that. So now we are reusing the person's constructor. Super is a keyword which will call a parent's constructor which is having 2 arguments, that is this function. And we no need to have a name field here, we no need to have a age, and here also we no need to have name and age. So now we have reduced a code and we are reusing a person's code. Let's print and see the results. Let's print some output here. Person constructor, and we can also print employee constructor. So now we are getting an error because the first statements in the constructor should be a super call, not any other statements. So now we have created inheritance in Java. Person is a parent class and employee is a child class. Let's create an object of employee, emp, and we will use a constructor employee, and we will pass name, age and salary, and this name, age will be initialized here. Name, demo, age and salary. In Java, in order to create any instance, we need to have a new keyword. We forgot that. So now the error has gone. Now let's execute and see whether we will get this output or not. The object we are creating is employee, but we are reusing the person's constructor and person's name, age. So as you can see, person constructor and employee constructor. As soon as we create, first it comes to this constructor, then it will call a person's constructor, then we will get an output, then it will assign name, age, and we will have this output, and we will assign salary. And let's call this function and print the values with this object. So print details. Now this will call this function print details, and we will get this output, name, age and salary, what we have instantiate here. Let's execute this and see the results. So we have got name, demo, 23 and 30,000 as we have passed. Though employee doesn't have a name, age, here you can see it has only salary, but we are reusing name, age properties of person's class, and we are using a constructor also. So print details, when we call, it will call a employees method, and inside this also we can call print details of this person. It is a developer's wish. Instead of printing name, age here, just call super dot print details. So now this will call a person's function, and it will print name, age, and inside this let's write output person print details, and here we will have employee print details. Now if we execute, we will get an output. Let's see. So first, when we instantiate an object, it will call person constructor, then employee constructor. Then when we call a print details, it will go to print details function of employee. Then from that we will call a print details of the person. Then we will get person print details output. Then we will get name, age from the person's function. Then we will get salary output from the employee's print details function. So this is the demo to create an inheritance relationship between a person and employee, and we have also seen how we can reuse the code. We can reuse any fields or any functions, so we can access these methods and fields from employee directly. So in the coming videos we will see what is method overriding and what are the uses. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.